Hello everyone, welcome. Today we're practicing listening comprehension with short stories by Aesop. The stories are The Milkmaid and Her Pail, The Farmer and His Sons, The Fox and the Grapes, The Ant and the Grasshopper. These stories are by Aesop, an ancient Greek storyteller. These stories are short. Follow along and repeat if you like. English comprehension and listening is important in getting used to hearing the language, and repeating helps you to learn. Okay, let's go. The Milkmaid and Her Pail. A milkmaid was walking to the market with a pail of milk on her head. She began to daydream about how she would use the money from selling the milk. She decided to buy some chickens, which would lay eggs that she could sell for even more money. With the money, she would buy a new dress, which would make her the most beautiful girl in the village. All the young men would be so impressed by her beauty that she would have her pick of any husband she wanted. As she walked along, she tossed her head, imagining the attention she would receive. But in doing so, she spilled the pail of milk, ruining all her plans and dreams. The moral of the story is, do not count your chickens before they're hatched. The Farmer and His Sons. A farmer has several sons who are always fighting with each other. He gives them a bundle of sticks and asks them to break it, but they can't. He then asked them to each take a stick and break it, which they can do easily. The farmer explains that they are stronger together than alone, and they should stop fighting and work together as a family. The Fox and the Grapes. A hungry fox came across a grapevine heavy with ripe grapes. His mouth watered at the sight of them, and he decided that he must have them. He jumped and jumped, but he could not reach the grapes, which were high up on the vine. Finally, he gave up and walked away, muttering to himself, "The grapes are probably sour anyway." The lesson of this fable is that people often undervalue what they cannot have. The Ant and the Grasshopper. One summer day, a grasshopper was singing and dancing in a field. An ant was carrying a kernel of wheat to his nest. The grasshopper asked the ant why he was working so hard instead of enjoying the summer. The ant replied, "I am gathering food for the winter, when there will be no food to be found." The grasshopper laughed and continued to dance. But when winter came, the grasshopper was starving, while the ant had plenty of food stored away. The grasshopper learned that it is important to prepare for the future. The lesson of this fable is that hard work and preparation pay off in the long run. Well, that's all for today. I hope you enjoyed the stories. They were fun and very short. I want to thank you for practicing with me. Please like the video and subscribe to my channel so you can find me again. Also see other stories and lessons on my channel. To view my other videos on my channel, just click the channel name Visionary Vicky and hit videos. Sometimes I have links in the descriptions of the videos. See you soon. Bye-bye.